St. Anthony's, San Francisco. We are replacing all of their access control. We've already replaced a bunch of cameras, their alarm system. Yeah, we're rolling along. You can see we got to keep the system rolling or keep it up and powered while we put up the new one. Thus far, I haven't picked anything up on any of these wires. We've tried multiple pairs. I'm just not sure where we're going from here. The definition of insanity is repeating the same thing and expecting a different outcome. Close to that.
Brian, you found it?
We did. We found it where it shouldn't have been, of course. So we are gonna move it out of the elevator control room so that we can get to it without an elevator tech having to be on site. I see where this is busting out up there, so we'll just take our network and our access wire into there, into this gutter, and then get us into here. 6 feet for that bit and some extra. So now we're just working on the last bit of it. We got elevator control pretty much figured out now. At least we have a plan of attack. We have to move the controller, run some new wires over there, then go through and swap out everything. We're down in the basement now, tearing into the access control for the doors. Oh, don't forget about these, like enough to run a house by, battery backup bank.
Nice.
A few more doors are done, a few more mysteries solved. Things are moving along. Working on getting doors. One more door left, and then we can actually yank this off the wall and start getting a little cleanup.
Talking LED walls, baby.